guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda and this is Hank. Hank's been with us a day or so and this is going to be his first bath given by me. I've never given a dog a bath before, so we're going to see how this goes. Not sure he's going to like me too much, and we're probably both going to get a bath. So this is not a how-to, it's a probably how not to. The water is warm and I put a couple of drops of Dawn in it per Danny's instructions. And we're going to see what happens. Okay, sit down. Sit down, Hank. Sit down. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're not going to like the water, but sit down. No, don't drink it. Sit. We don't want to drink soapy water. Okay, we're not going to like it too much, are we? Not gonna like it too much. You gotta have a bath. Sit. 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 That's it. Sit. Sit. You gotta sit. So then just wash. No. Sit. I know. Sit. No. Sit. It's okay. It's okay. Gotta have this. Gotta get rid of the bugs. No. Sit. Sit. I know. This is not fun. Get you used to it. Okay. Sit so we can get your body. Sit. You don't want bugs. Sit. I know. Sit. 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 We don't want you to. No, you're not getting down. No, Hank. No. You can drown you. Sit. Sit. Gotta get rid of it. I don't see bugs, but we gotta make sure. I know. You're not too crazy about this, are you? Nope, not getting out. No, no. Okay, sit. Sit. Okay, sit. Okay. All right. Get your, come on. Okay, we're gonna let the water out. Give him a minute to warm up. And we're gonna pour some warm water over him to get him quit shaking. He thinks it's scaring him to death, so he did pretty good. I'm only semi-wet, not too bad for our first bath, huh, Hank? He's calming down. Okay, so we got to rinse. All right, the soapy water is out. We're going to put him back and kind of rinse him off slightly, so he doesn't have soap all over him. All right, you guys stand still. Let's get the puppy ears. Okay. Wait. All right, come here. Hold on. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. We get a treat now. Wrap you up. Okay, guys. Hank's ready to go back out. We're going to dry him off really, really good. And give him a good drying. And go feed him some more and give him a treat so he knows that this is not a bad thing. He's already been on the tractor. He's been to visit all the animals. And he's getting used to everything on Deep South. So tell him bye, Hank. Bye, guys.